Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make rice water. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is a short video of Red Yahoo women doing rice water for hair growth. Regular usage of rice water for your hair has many benefits. It helps remove dandruff, it helps split ends, and it also balances out the pH level. The amino acid in rice water specifically helps with hair growth. It contains many vitamins such as vitamin B, C, and E. You can make rice water by boiling the rice and draining the water and using it as a leave-in or rinsing out your hair. You could also make fermented rice water by putting rice and water in a container and leaving it overnight, and then using it as also a washout or a leave-in. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I make fermented rice water. So I start off with 1 cup of rice, a bowl, a spoon, and a jar that has a top. You would put the rice in a bowl, you wash it out. Then you place the rice in a jar, either using a spoon or just dumping it out. Add 2 cups of water in the jar. Stir the rice and the water together. Close the lid tightly and leave it aside.
Hours later.
The last thing you do before you use the water is drain the rice water into a bowl and add 1 cup of water. I would wash my hair just with conditioner. I then would use the rice water to rinse my hair. Some people can't stand the smell of the rice water, so they tend to use essential oil. But in my case, I don't mind the smell of the water because after I do this, I will rinse it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.